Here we are at 3086 South Mesa Way. We walk into a huge living room, this separate projector room, office, gato. It's a coat closet, office. And huge windows, fireplace, and a lovely primary level master suite. Main level primary suite. Another access to the backyard. Dual vanity, toilet closet, linen, and large walk-in closet with natural light, and jetted tub with stand-up shower. That's a fogged window right there. There are some maintenance issues. They've done a ton to the house. But there's some things, older HVAC, little flooring that's had some wear and tear, this solid wood in the kitchen. Here's that office. I also took a video of the outside first inadvertently. So this goes to the garage. There's another toilet and sink in the garage and a sink in this huge laundry room. And we don't have a separate pantry per se, but there does seem to be a lot of storage in the house. And then the other bedrooms are up here, 3 of them, plus this bathroom in the middle, and then this huge closet. And a linen. Some of the older Linnell original here, but it's fine. Some of the gold fixture. And that's a This room has the metal blinds, not the faux wood blinds. And I guess that's what's on those too. Paint's in great shape. The carpet, you can feel it has great padding. It's a really pretty, homey, spacious, bright and open feeling home. I guess that's kind of the wall pantry is what we can call that. And then you've got the huge garage out there. There's a flooring issue. That could be a deck there. Oh yeah, that also could serve as, what's your furnace room though?